Save $19 with today's deal of the day. Forest City Surplus is excited to have Amazon surplus items in. We have here Amazon basic lights. As you can see from the packaging, it lives up to the name, basic. So this is what you see inside. They come in a 6-pack. Normally, we're selling them in store if you'd like individually for $1.99 a piece. Now these are 4.6 star rated light bulbs on Amazon. They sell for over $28 for a 6-pack. We're selling the 6-pack for only $8.99. They're nice soft white. They're dimmable as well. So you're getting a great spotlight type light bulb. Great for things like pot lights. Get yours now. Forest City Surplus Canada, 1712 Dundas Street, or fcsurplus.com.